Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This thumbnail that you are seeing is created by ChatGPT and one AI platform. Okay, so this one as well is created by ChatGPT and one AI platform. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create fantastic thumbnails like these ones that you have seen, and they are completely free of charge using a free tool to create it. So the first thing we need to do is to start by going to ChatGPT. Can create a new chat and you come over here to start asking it to give prompt, okay? Because the prompt are going to be solemnly generated by ChatGPT. Okay, can you give me 5 YouTube thumbnail ideas, okay, for a human being, okay, facing the camera and pointing at a text, sort of like a tutorial video. So we want to create this, something like the thumbnail for a tutorial video for a human being facing the camera and pointing some text. Let me see. So use the text 5 AI tools for 2025, right? 5 AI tools for 2025. Right, so I can just hit on enter and this is now going to generate the 5 different kind of thumbnail ideas, different kind of scenarios that we can use to generate the thumbnail, the real prompt that we can ask the AI to generate for us. Right, so you can see right now it has generated the 5 different scenarios that you can see. The first one is bold and futuristic theme. Okay, a person looking excited and pointing at 5 AI tools for 2025. This is shock and surprise reaction. This is techie and minimalist look. And this is glowing hologram effect. And then this is explosive eye-catching design. Okay, so let's go with bold and futuristic theme, or let's use this theme. So what I want to do is, can you give me the prompt for this? So this scenario, so let's go in and check in this second option, shock and surprise reaction. Okay, so let's copy this and we can just paste in here, and ChatGPT is going to give us a detailed prompt to be able to generate that kind of scenario. Okay, so you can see the prompt, a young adult with an excited and surprised facial expression. Eyes wide open and mouth slightly agape, pointing dramatically at a bold text that reads 5 AI tools for 2025. Now let's copy the entire text. Now the next thing is to use the AI tool to generate the thumbnail that we're targeting. So the AI tool we're going to be using for this is called Ideogram. Okay, Ideogram AI. So all you need is to just type in ideogram.ai and it will just take you to the website. Alright, so once you're here, you can generate anything, okay? Can generate anything. And this is a prompting area. You can, of course, have to log in with your username and password, or maybe with a Gmail address if you have any. You can just log in and you can paste in your prompt from here. Now, once you paste in the prompt, you can come over here. You have other different kind of things that you can play around with. For example, you can check out the model variation, the magic prompt. You can keep everything at default. The aspect ratio, you can vary it. I want it to be 16:9 because this is a YouTube video. So let's go with something like 16:9, this one. Okay, so you can check in, this is the general setting. You can check in the visibility. I can keep it at public. And then the model, I'm going to use the highest model, which is 2.0. Color palettes, if you have any suggestion, you can select from here. If you have any suggestion as regards the color combination, you can select. Also, if you have any other feature that you want to check, you can also check. And then you can go back here and select. Okay, so in terms of this is the general, this is realistic. If you want to be realistic, and then the design, you can check out any other thing, or you want to check the anime option. I usually keep everything at default from the general. I keep everything at automatic. So once you put in the prompt that you've copied from ChatGPT, and just come over here, I click on generate, and then we'll give you some seconds to finish the generation. Wow, and you can see what it has created for us. Wonderfully, it has created the thumbnail that we look. Take a look at this thumbnail. Very, very clear and very, very sharp. look at it. It's well created. You can see the lighting. You can see the text. AI tools for 2025. It has gotten it completely clear. And you can see the expression in the person's body, the face, the facial expression. This is really, really fantastic. And it looks very, very nice. Take a look at this. Even though it doesn't actually fill in the entire space, but it got the text also very, very nice, and it has the background very busy with AI tools. And take a look at this next one, which is really, really also very interesting. The text is very clear, the expression is very clear, only that the person is not looking human-like. Of all of them, I think I prefer this one and the first one. They kind of look very, very professional, and this is very, very much next level when it comes to the thumbnail design. These are very fantastic. These two are my best for this. Okay, so let's try to generate one more so we can see the wonders this AI tool can do for us. So let's go back to ChatGPT and just ask it to give another scenario. Okay, can you generate the prompt for this? So let's take another design. Let's say this one. Okay, let's select this. And then we're pasting here, and let's generate the prompt. Very easily, you can generate as many prompts as you can, and you can still go back to Ideogram and generate your images completely free of charge. Right, so you can see our prompt is ready right now. We can just copy it, right? And then we can go back to Ideogram, and we can click on this, and we can paste in this, keep everything at default, and then go on to say, if you want to change the color palette and other properties here, I keep everything at default, and we can say generate. Let's give it some seconds to finish the generation. Wow, and you can see this is really, really next level. You can see now there's no need for you to hire any freelancer to design your thumbnail for you. Take a look at how fantastic this can be. Look at the expression in his face, and look at the text that it has used, and look at the hand. It's truly pointing at the text, and this is next level when it comes to the thumbnail actually. I kind of like this. So if you want it to go limited, you can have more than one account to be creating continuously, but this is something that is worth trying, and you will enjoy the thumbnails that are being created here. You know, the real secret behind the YouTube performance is actually the thumbnail, which is number one. The first thing that the audience can look at is your thumbnail. How perfect is it? Okay, so you can go ahead and explore and see what it can create and what you can generate. Okay, in terms of downloading the thumbnail, you can always come over to this very three dots. This one, you can just click and you can come down here. You can download it in PNG and in JPEG. If you're interested, you can just download. Let's go ahead and download this. And you can see it's just been downloaded. You have your thumbnail, very, very sharp and very, very clear. Okay, so this basically concludes this simple tutorial about the use of an AI tool to generate YouTube thumbnails completely free of charge. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.